In this episode, we'll speak about why national defense strategies must include American battery manufacturing.
Welcome back to the Watt Hour. I'm William Hadala, Vice President at American Lithium Energy. Today, I want to share a perspective not on a single headline, but on a strategic pattern I believe we all need to pay attention to. There's a clear acceleration happening in long-range deterrent platforms like advanced bombers and next-generation missile systems. And right at the heart of that shift is a question we're passionate about: where is the power coming from? Voiceover with animated graphics or clean visuals of aerospace systems. For years, the Department of Defense and its ecosystem of contractors have worked to modernize platforms that are fundamental to deterrence. Programs like the B-21 Raider and new generation ground-based systems are reshaping what capability means in a contested environment. What I find compelling isn't just that these platforms are advancing, it's how quickly the defense ecosystem is moving to adopt new energy expectations. These are systems that demand secure, scalable, and domestically sourced energy, and that's where the opportunity lies. Let's talk about that gap. Many of today's defense systems still depend on foreign-made batteries. That was fine in the past. It isn't anymore. Supply chain disruptions, export risks, and component-level security concerns are now part of the conversation. And if you're building a sixth-generation aircraft or a hardened mobile command post, you can't rely on power tech that wasn't designed for your mission. Made in USA energy storage isn't just a slogan, it's a strategic asset. At American Lithium Energy, we've been working for years on battery cells that meet these exact needs, not just for space or commercial use, but for the most demanding military-grade applications. We produce cells right here in the US with 290, 350 watt-kg energy density, high discharge rates up to 100 C, extreme thermal operating range, and advanced safety features like zero-volt technology and our SafeCore internal fuse system. We've supported aerospace integrators, drone OEMs, and system primes, and what they all need is the same: mission-ready energy, manufactured in America, backed by engineering that understands the fight. If you're working in aerospace, defense, or even advanced robotics, this is the time to rethink your energy design assumptions. The platforms of tomorrow are being built now. And whether you're developing ISR systems, UAV fleets, or ground-based launch assets, the batteries you integrate today will define the resilience of those systems tomorrow. Let's move from imported to integrated. From supply chain constrained to energy assured, I'm William Hadala. Thanks for watching Strategic Edge. If this resonates with the work you're doing, let's talk.